children, today let's start with chapter number 16, the revolt of 1857. So, India was very prosperous in ancient time. First revolt of the freedom took place on 10th May. Right? In ancient time, Indian was known as Boldenberg, right? Famous for spices, pearls, silk, gold, and handicrafts. Seeing prosperity of India, many traders from all over the world come to India. Aryans came from Central Asia. They settled down permanently. And Genghis Khan, the Mongolian, invaded and looted India many times. Alexander the Great too was to conquer. Huansang from China came, and Indian University of Nalanda, Takshila, Columbus wanted came to India, but instead they landed off the coast of America. That later Spain and Portugal tried to enter the trade. Ocean trade from Europe to the west, Cape of Good Hope in India, discovered by the Vasco da Gama. ये Portuguese sailor थे, Calicut पे आते हैं, established trading species which Kerala. Portuguese bought spices from India and sold in India. ठीक है, और उन्होंने उससे क्या करा, ह्यूज प्रॉफिट कमाया, बहुत प्रॉफिट कमाया. And with the Industrial Revolution, Dutch British friends also tried to gain foothold. In the last, British came to India for trade and they established their colonies in India. They defeated Dutch, Portuguese, ruled over the India, and they gained supremacy in it. East India Company जो थे, it was British company which was open for trading center at Surat. Later जो मुगल emperor थे जहांगीर, he gave permission for opening the trading center in India. After getting permission, Emperor British soon opened a factory at Bombay, Madras, Calcutta, with the excuse that they had to protect their British factories, and they started maintaining the Adi. Battle of Classes, Rajudollah, Nawab of Bengal, right? He objected the building of forts, keeping their own armies, and the Nawab declared war. So in June 1757, Battle of Panipat was fought, and Nawab and the both defeated and become power. Injustice of British. So the British tortured Indians in following ways. The British exploited all the resources. They get maximum benefit here. They forced the farmers of Bihar to grow indigo, and they forced Indian weavers and sell their fine cotton and silk produced only to British trade. और कैसे price पे low price. And later on what happened, 1764 Battle of Buxar हुआ, and British won the battle and they extended their territory. They captured Jhansi, Nagpur and other places. और उन्होंने doctrine of flats की policy लेकर, and the British was the master of almost 4 countries. Section of Indians were unhappy with the British rule, right? They were dissatisfied with the British. They wanted the British to leave India. Now revolt against British. So when the circumstances become unbearable in 10th May 1850, revolt broke out. This was called First War of Empire. Right? Revolt started by the Indian soldier and English army in India because of a new rifle. They introduced हुई थी वो cow और fig के meat से बने थे, which was against our religious sentiment. वो ऐसे करके मुंह से वो करनी थी, तब वो बोलते हैं. So the revolt started at Meerut and soon appeared to large parts of northern and central India. And the soldier declared that last Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah as their leader. And it led by Nana Sahib, Tantra Tope Kanpur ke, Rani Lakshmibai Jhansi, and Begum Hazrat Mahal at above. Failure of the revolt. In spite of fierce battle fought in many places, sacrifice made many brave souls. This revolt could not succeed. It came to end almost within a year. The reason of this failure are not difficult to find. British army lose control over the sea, getting regular supply of arms from Britain. Right? Many Indian princes played a role of traitors for helping the British. So the revolt was brutally suppressed. Thousands of innocent men, women, children killed, and many villages and towns and many people were hanged to death. The last Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah was arrested. उनको arrest हो गए थे and sent to Raghu, and his 3 sons were killed in Delhi. And September 1868, British troops won back Lucknow, but his Hazrat refused to surrender and escaped to Nekor. She recaptured Gwalior with the help of Kantia Tope, but brave Queen fighting on 17th June 1868, coercing. In April 1868, Nana Sahib escaped Nepal. And then what happened? A Governor General was nominated, Queen Victoria. Result क्या था revolt का failure था? Mean chapter of Indian history. India was inspired by the bravery of the leader and the people who took part in the revolt. They were ready to organize themselves in a better way to find. Indian princes were permitted to rule their territory under the authority of the British law. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.